Want to make your images move and instantly grab attention? Today, I will show you how to use the advanced image marquee widget by XPro so you can create smooth, eye-catching image scrolling sections. It can work on any website, perfect for showcasing your portfolio like creative agencies, highlighting products and services like Apple, or displaying integrations just like Vimeo. Simple, versatile, and visually powerful. First, make sure you have both the free and pro version of XPro add-ons installed since this widget is the part of premium version. Now check out this makeup website using an image marquee where models smoothly scroll across the screen to showcase different products. Let's recreate the same effect. From the search panel, search for the image marquee widget by XPro and drag and drop it onto the page. This is the default view. In the Content tab, you will see General with multiple item fields. Each item represents an image you want to display in the marquee. You can add new items, duplicate existing ones, or delete them using these small icons. Now, upload your images into these fields and set the image resolutions. Great. The images are edited. Next, set the scroll orientation. It's horizontal by default and you can switch the direction to left or right. You can also choose vertical orientation with direction set to top or bottom. Use the space between option to control the gap between images. I don't need any, so I'm keeping it at 0. Adjust the animation speed. Make sure it's not too fast or too slow. That's it for the Content tab. Now let's move on to the Style tab for some fun customization. In the Image section, set the width and height of the images. Next, there is Normal and Hover options. Normal is the default look, while Hover activates when the user moves the cursor over the marquee. Let's start with the Normal option. Here in Opacity, adjust the visibility of the images. Then there is CSS Filters that enhances the image with various effects. Brightness changes how bright the image looks. Contrast adjusts how bright or dark parts of a picture look. Saturation makes color more or less intense. Hue allows you to modify the color of image. Now in the hover, keeping all the settings at default. So when a user hovers an image, it shows its actual color in the opacity, highlighting it from the rest. Set the transition duration for a smooth effect. You can also add a border, adjust its width, border color, radius, or add depth with a box shadow. I will leave those as they are. Alright, let's take a look. And that's how you create stunning image marquees. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing videos. Thank you for watching.